Hello, beautiful souls. Today, I'm sharing a powerful all-natural facial mask that's easy to make and incredibly effective. This mask combines 4 skin-loving ingredients: wheat flour, watercress, aloe vera, and spirulina. And it's especially great for those who want to brighten their skin and remove dark skin areas like spots, dullness, or uneven tone. How to make the mask? Here's what you'll need: 2 teaspoons of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of finely blended watercress or juice, 1 teaspoon of spirulina powder, 2 teaspoons of fresh aloe vera gel. Mix all the ingredients together into a smooth paste. You can add a little rose water if it feels too thick. How to use: apply the mask to your clean face, especially areas with dark spots or uneven tone. Avoid the eyes. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry and apply your favorite moisturizer. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll begin to see a brighter, more even skin tone naturally. Whether you're dealing with sunspots, acne scars, or general dullness, this mask is a natural solution for removing dark skin and revealing a fresh glow. Gentle, nourishing, and effective. It's skincare straight from nature. Let's talk about what makes each ingredient so special. Asterisk 1. Wheat flour. Wheat flour is a gentle exfoliator that helps remove dead skin and impurities. It's great for fading dark spots and brightening the overall complexion. With consistent use, it can help lighten pigmentation and make your skin smoother and more radiant. It's perfect for achieving that clean, even glow. 2. Watercress. Watercress is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help detoxify the skin, reduce inflammation, and boost cell turnover. It naturally fades dark areas and supports a clear, glowing complexion. Watercress also has antibacterial properties, so it's helpful for acne-prone skin too. Asterisk 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is famous for its healing and hydrating effects. It soothes irritated skin, deeply moisturizes, and helps repair damaged cells. It's also known to reduce the appearance of dark patches and sun damage, making it an ideal ingredient for those struggling with dark or uneven skin. Point 4. Spirulina. Spirulina is a powerful superfood for your skin. It's loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that boost collagen, unclog pores, and purify the skin. Most importantly, spirulina helps fade hyperpigmentation and dark skin caused by sun, aging, or acne. It promotes clearer, more youthful-looking skin.